Ukraine has claimed another significant victory in its ongoing conflict with Russia, asserting that it has sunk a Russian landing ship in a daring drone attack. The targeted vessel, the Ropucha-class large landing ship Cesar Kunikov, was reportedly hit on its port side off the coast of Crimea. Military intelligence released footage showing several naval drones approaching the ship before striking it, causing critical damage that led to it beginning to sink. The Cesar Kunikov, a Project 775 large landing ship with a capacity for 87 crew members, has been actively involved in various conflicts, including those in Syria, Georgia, and Ukraine. This attack follows a similar successful operation earlier in the month, where Ukrainian sea drones targeted and struck the Russian warship Ivanovets. In that incident, the vulnerability of Russia's Black Sea Fleet to unmanned naval vessels was starkly demonstrated. The Ukrainian sea drones, based on modified jet skis, operate in swarms and can be remotely controlled. The cost-effective nature of these drones, along with their ability to deliver precision strikes, has proven to be a formidable challenge for the Russian military. The attacks were reportedly carried out by a special unit called Group 13, which specializes in unmanned naval warfare. These developments underscore Ukraine's increasing capability and determination to push back against Russian dominance in the Black Sea region.